use the consume and stock adjustment operation if you want to update the inventory of the spare parts or store items. Stock taking, so as of now, as per instruction, we will now going to use LO inventory function of the PAL system. So we will initially we're just going to use it for the store and spare parts. So maybe in the future, maybe after a few months, then we're going to also use the LO inventory function. So transfer stocks, this is where you're going to relocate or change the location of the spare parts or the inventory. So because we decided not to use the inventory function because it will be a duplicated work also for the ship's crew. Because if you're going to use it, you still need to update the LOR001 in shiplet 1. So to minimize the duplicated work, we decided not to use the inventory function of LO of the PAL system. So after we successfully transfer the PMS to the PAL system, then maybe that's the time that we're going to use the LO inventory function of PAL.